Assalamu guys. My name is Rauf, and today I'm gonna make a snack for my brothers.
Me.
I need to wash my hands.
I'll go to the bathroom. I'll go to the bathroom.
I'm gonna dry my hands with the tissue.
I'll wash my hands today, Mommy.
Then I need a cut.
That's right. I can't wait to eat it. It will be so yummy. I can't wait to eat it, Mom.
If you cut the bread, be careful. It will cut your hands. Don't stand. Look, I cut my bread. For this recipe, I need black pepper and 2 spoons of butter. Let's start the recipe how to make this snack. First, I need to put butter on a long hot saucepan. I wait for the butter to become melt. Butter is melt, I'm going to put all of it in the pan. And I'm going to stir it properly. Then I'm going to put 1 spoon of black pepper. Now I'm going to mix them together. Now I'm going to wait until it's crispy and brown. Guys, it's almost turning brown. I need to wait for a few minutes. Snack is ready, and I'll put them all in a plate.
Are they ready, Mommy? Is it ready?
Oh man, my snack is very good. Let's try it.
Try. Wow, it's very nice.
It tastes delicious.
Yes.
And then don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Time to use the music.
This is the